Question 17. Wood stud wall assembly consists of 16-inch on-center studs with fiberglass bed insulation between them. Fiberglass bed insulation has a R value of 15 and wood studs are R6.2. Wood framing accounts for 20% of wall area. What is the total resistance of this wall? So let's map this question out. We have wood studs that are about 16 inches on center. So the distance between the center of these studs is 16 inches. The R value of your fiberglass between these studs equals to R15, and the wood stud itself is R6.2. Now the measurement for thermal resistance is hour foot squared degree Fahrenheit over BTU. In order to solve this question, you can type in composite plain wall material, and it's going to give you this formula. U total equals to UA, area A, plus UB, area B, over total area. Now, U value is related to R value through this formula. It's a reciprocal of R. So 1 over R equals your U. U is a thermal transmittance, and R is thermal conductance. So R tells you resistance to flow, and U tells you how heat flow is how well it's transmitted through a material. So now, if we go to our formula here, in order to make all these U values into R values, we just have to take their reciprocal. So 1 over RA, it's going to give us our UA value. And if we take area A over total area, that's going to give us an area fraction. But we'll get to this later. So you have area A over total area plus same thing, 1 over RB. And we have area B for insulation over our total wall area. So in our case, RA, I'll just say that this was bad insulation, is 15. So 1 over 15. Our wall fraction area for our bad insulation was 80%, since it tells us that wood framing is 20%, our bad insulation is automatically 80% to give us a 100% fraction. So now your wood stud R value is 6.2, and your area fraction for studs is 20%. You're going to get a U value total of 0.0856. And now we take the reciprocal of units for our resistance, and it's going to be BTU, hour, foot squared, degrees Fahrenheit. You just have to put an inverse to the units for your R since it's a reciprocal. But the problem is asking us for the total R value. So R total will be a reciprocal of U total. So in this case, 1 over 0.0856, which will give us an R value of 11.68 hour foot squared degree Fahrenheit over BTU. And this is our answer for this problem.